Let us do the 8th question on the board now. Assign 4 tracks 1, 2, 3 and 4 to vacant places A, B, C, D, E and F so that the distance traveled is minimized. So to park the trucks in the vacant places, minimum distance should be traveled. Okay, this is the question to you. The matrix below shows the distance. Okay, so you are going to find the minimum distance to park the trucks in the vacant places. Okay, let us start the problem now. See, you are given 6 rows but 4 columns. So, number of rows is less than the number of columns is less than the number of rows. Okay, number of columns and number of rows first you can write children. Number of rows is 6. Number of columns is 4. If both are equal, then we can say that it is a balanced assignment problem. Since they are unequal, it is not a balanced assignment problem. To balance it, we introduce 2 dummy columns. We are going to introduce dummy columns. How many dummy columns? 2. In the 2 columns introduced, it becomes 6 equivalent. Okay, what 2 dummy columns D1 and D2. Okay, to balance it, we introduce 2 dummy columns D1 and D2. Okay, with all the entries 0. Dummy column now, each and every element is 0. With all the entries 0. Okay. So the revised assignment problem is after introducing the dummy columns, how that assignment problem looks. This is the vacant place spaces A, B, C, D, E. This is vacant place. This is truck. A, B, C, D, E, F. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 trucks only should be parked in the vacant places. So to balance this assignment problem, we are introducing 2 dummy columns. Dummy columns name is D1 and D2. Okay. Now you can write the respective values from the given question. Already I told you that the dummy columns with all the entries what are 0. First you can write it as 0. Next you can fill the remaining values from the given question. 4, 7, 3, 7, 8, 5, 6, 8, 7. Okay, this is the question 1. Here we are going to start with step 1. What is step 1? Step 1. Step 1, please.
Select a smallest element in row, miss.
So here the smallest element in every row is 0.
So step 1 is eliminated, miss.
Step 1 is skipped and we are directly moving to step 2. Step 1 is not necessary. We are going to move to step 2. In every row we will get 0. Okay, so we will not proceed the problem. 0 minus 4 answer 0 minus 4, 0 minus 7, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 7. And the question itself answer you will get. If you do step 1, definitely you will get the same question as answer again. So for that we are going to skip step 1 and we are going to move to step 2. Okay. So that is what we are going to write as step 1 is not necessary since every row has அப்படின்னு சொல்லி எழுதிட்டு ஒரு ஸ்டெப் எழுதிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் ஸ்டெப் 2 போடும். Okay, that you can write it here. Since every row with 0, step 1 is not necessary. So step 1. Step 1 and everything, the reason you don't do that work, children. Shall I rub this? Introduction of this problem. It is not a balanced assignment problem. To make balanced or to balance it, we introduce two dummy columns, D1 and D2, with all the entries 0. Take the screenshot of this. Here, smallest element from each column and subtract it from all the elements in that column. Okay. So column wise, let us take before that we need the tablet column again. 1, 2, 3, 4, D1, D2. Okay, now we are going to select the column, first column, which is the minimum number here, 4. 4 should be subtracted from all the elements. 4 should be subtracted from all the 6 elements. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus
0.
4 minus 4, 4 minus
4.
2. Okay, next column, what is minimum? 2.
2, miss.
7 minus 2, 5. 0, 7, 3,
0.
okay. Third column, which is minimum, 3 is
1.
third
3 minimum, miss. 6.
minus 3, 2,
3.
3, 1, 2, 4. Okay, now check the
0.
number. Fourth column minimum number is also 3. 7 minus 3, 5 minus 3, 9 minus 3, 8 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 3 minus 3. And the dummy columns minimum number already we are having 0. So it will come as this. So problem இத பார்த்தே சொல்லினா 4 டேட்டா தான் இருக்கு, 4 அசைன்மெண்ட்ஸ் தான் நடக்கும். அப்ப மீதி இருக்க ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் நமக்கு அசைன்மெண்ட் 0 னு ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும். எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி அங்க எத்தனை காலம் இருக்கோ அத்தனை டேட்டா தான் அசைன் ஆகும். டம்மி காலம்ல அசைன்மெண்ட் 0 னு நடக்கும். So answer for that remaining 2 will be 0. Okay, so let us start checking for at least 1 0 in every row and in every column. Right, first row we check, we get more than 1 0. Second row also more than 1 0. Third row yes. Fourth row yes. Fifth row yes. Sixth row yes. So in every row we are having at least 1 0, no problem. Let us move to column wise and check whether there exists at least 1 0. Here yes, at least 1 0. Here exactly 1 0, no problem. Here also, here both are everything 0, so no problem. So our checking process is over successfully. We don't have any extra work. Check பண்ணிட்டு ஒரு முறையும் check பண்ணிட்டு and then proceed for the next step. What is next step? Assignment. Assignment first row wise you should check for exactly 1 0. Is there exactly 1 0? Definitely column wise பார்த்தா exactly 1 0 you never get. ஏன்னா இந்த ரெண்டு ரோல இந்த ரெண்டு காலம்ல 0 வரதால exactly 1 0 row wise உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கிறதுக்கு சான்ஸே கிடையாது. So we are going to move to column. ஏன்னா நீ ஒரு முறை செக் பண்ணிக்கோ. In all the rows we don't get exactly 1 0, so we cannot assign. Row wise assignment is not at all possible. So I am moving to column. Column wise, I'm checking first column. Am I getting 1 0? No. Exactly 1 0 varudha? Illa. No. Sorry, so assignment is not possible here. Coming to second column, check whether there exists exactly 1 0. Yes. Exactly 1 0 exists here. So I'm going to assign it. If I assign this column wise, if I assign that particular row additional zeros will be eliminated. Okay, column wise we assigned. So row wise zeros are eliminated. Okay. Then third column I'm going to check for exactly 1 0. Yes, I'm getting 0, only 1 0. So it should be assigned. If I assign this immediately in that row, wherever you're having 0, that should be striped. 0, 0, 0. Third column I selected this, so that row entire zeros will be eliminated. Okay. Coming to fourth column, check whether there is exactly 1 0. Is there exactly 1 0? Yes, there I am having along here. Assign it. Column is fourth column will be assigned this, so row wise zeros will be what? Eliminated. Okay. Now we assigned for A, B and F. We didn't get for C, D, E. Okay, so after assignment over, immediately you check again whether there is column wise like 1 0 on this. Since you strike with this, we get 1 0. Purida, we can already the strike pannitadala exactly 1 0 we get in the column 1. So it should be assigned. So we are getting assignment, different assignments. Correct A ku, B ku, C ku, F ku, ellame vera assignment da. Okay. And then what about for D and E? For these two vacant.
Miss 0 0 2 0 eliminate பண்ணனும் மிஸ். 0ல இருக்கிற 2 0 eliminate.
This 4 zeros should be eliminated. Very good. Okay. அப்ப இங்க இருக்க D க்கும் E க்கும் we cannot assign. ஏன்னா 4 different assignments நடந்தாச்சு. மறுபடியும் இதுலயே போய் ஒரு assignment நீங்க நம்ம முன்னாடி போட்ட பாரு 4th sum. அந்த மாடல்லாம் இங்க பண்ணிடாத. அதாவது இந்த ரிமைனிங் நம்பர்ஸ்ல இருந்து ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் நம்பர் எடுத்து லிஸ்ட் பண்ணி போடுவோம். அதெல்லாம் இங்க பண்ண கூடாது. ஏன்னா each and every row should be assigned to different column. ஓகேவா? ஒரு ரோ எடுத்துனா அதுக்கு ஒரு காலம், இன்னொரு எடுத்தா இன்னொரு காலம் தான் இருக்கும். ஒரு அசைன்மெண்ட் ஒரு காலம்ல எடுத்தாலும் ஒரு ரோல் எடுத்தாலும் ஒரு முறை தான் நடக்கும். more than one time you should not. ஓகேவா? So we get you what these are the correct assignments. Then for this and this definitely we are going to get 0. The D1 இது D2 எடுத்துக்கலாம், இதுக்கு D2 இதுக்கு D1 எடுத்துக்கலாம். whatever it will be, the answer is 0. ஓகேவா? So we are going to give the last line for optimal assignment schedule and minimum distance, total minimum distance. Here we are asked distance, minimum distance, total minimum distance. Standard column should be like this now. What is column trucks? Here distance. Okay, vacant space A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, now trucks we are going to select from here. A truck is assigned to, A vacant space is assigned for third truck, third one. B is for second one. C, first one. D and E we don't get assignment. We can take it as D1, D2. One you can assign D1, another one you can assign D2. F is for fourth truck. That's all. Assignment process is over. Right. Okay. Now you can pick out the distance from this original question. Okay. Revised assignment problem is there now that you can refer and get the answer. A to 3. A to 3. What is the distance? 3. B to 2. B row, second column, the answer is 2. C row, first column, the answer is 4. D and E, D1 answer is 0, D2 answer is 0. F, fourth one, 3. and the minimum distance is minimum distance 5, 9, 12.
12, miss.
That answer correct, children?
Yes, miss.
Is it clear? Is there any doubt in this?
No, miss.
Okay, ma, let us move to question number 6 now. Sixth question also we are going to see on the board now. This problem is based on that question number 4. Already I told you. I told you to try. Did you receive the answer for that?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Very good, very good. A departmental head,
Yes, miss.
4 subordinates and 4 tasks to be performed. So number of rows is equal to number of columns. The subordinates differ in efficiency and the task differ in their intrinsic difficulty. Estimates of the time each man would take to perform each task is given below. Time is given below. How should the task be allocated to subordinates so as to minimize the total man hours? Man hours. Answer should be in hours, children. Okay. In our question number 8 also you write kilometer for 12. Solution we received 12 no ma. Anga rupees எழுதாம kilometer nu எழுதிக்கோங்க. Okay. You mark it in your book itself, children. 12 kilometer. Screenshot la rupees nu irukum, rupees எழுதிராத. Okay, depending upon the question, you should write the unit. Here you are asked man hours, so answer will be in hours. In last question number 8, you are asked distance, so answer is with kilometer. Okay. Now, question number 6, subordinates task. Equal to number of columns is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a balanced assignment problem. Okay, then step 1. What is step 1, ma'am? Select a least element from each row and subtract it from its row. Okay, so row wise work we are going to complete here. First you select the minimum number from here 8, 8 minus 8, 0, 8 minus 26, 18, 8 minus 17, 9, 8 minus 11, 3. Here in second row the minimum number is 4, 13 minus 4, 9, 28 minus 4, 24, 4 minus 4, 0, 26 minus 4, 22. Okay, here the minimum number 15, 38 minus 15, 15, 23. Here minimum number is 15, 19 minus 15, 4, 18 minus 15, 3, 15 minus 15, 0. Coming to last row, the minimum number is 9, 9 minus 9, 0, 26 minus 9, 26 minus 9, 17, 24 minus 9, 15, 10 minus 9, 1. Okay, and with this step 1 only we are going to proceed step 2. Okay, ma? What is step 2? Select select a least number or least element from each column and subtract the selected number or it from its column. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to prepare the table again. Okay. Now you are going to check column by children. What we received in step 1, that should be continued. You don't go to the question number original question again. Least number here is 0, 0 minus anything, the number itself, so that column will come as this. 0, 9, 23. Next column, the least number is 4. Subtract and write 18 minus 4, 14. 24 minus 4, 20. 4 minus 4, 0. 17 minus 4, 30. Okay. Third column, 0 is the minimum number. If you subtract it from the remaining entries, that column will come as this. Or if you want, you can subtract and get it. Okay. Here also, the minimum number is 0, so you will get that column as it is. 3, 22, 0, 1. Okay, now we are going to check for at least 1 0 in every row and every column. Step 2, you are going to continue. Check there exists at least 1 0, yes. Here also yes, here also yes, here also yes. Row wise checking is over. Coming to column wise checking here. Column 1 checking yes. Column 2, yes. Column 3, yes. Column 4, yes. Okay, the checking process is over. Then what you are going to do? Assignment. Assignment is step 3. Okay, what is the assignment? That step 2, what you received now, that should be written exactly. Yeah, after that only you are going to start the assignment. Okay, written by saying this. Now you are going to allot a time in assign. What you are going to assign and check every row whether there exists exactly 1 0. Exactly 1 0 exists, immediately you put box for that. Check first row, is there exactly 1 0? Yes. Then put assignment. Okay, then that particular column remaining zeros will be eliminated. Okay, coming to next row, check for at least 1 0. Sorry, exactly 1 0. Yes, we are having exactly 1 0. So it should be assigned. Then on the particular column that the zeros eliminate panna, the remaining zeros illa, so you just leave it, no problem. Coming to third row, check for exactly 1 0. Is there exactly 1 0? No. We are having 2 zeros, so assignment we cannot do. Okay, ma'am. Coming to the last row, will you get any exactly 1 0? In the day 1 0, that will eliminate types. So you cannot do assignment. So row R, row S assignment not made. Okay, ma'am. So what you are going to do now? Column wise checking for exactly 1 0. Column wise already we assigned here. We are moving to the second column. Yes, we are getting exactly 1 0. So it should be assigned. Okay, ma'am. And the particular row the zeros should be eliminated. Elimination advantage. In column 3 already we assigned, so no problem. Column 4 we don't have any zero. In the 1 0 eliminate we cannot assign in column 4. Okay, so this problem is an incomplete problem, invalid assignment made because we didn't get assignment for this yes assignment. Fourth column assignment. Okay, so it should be continued. How we are going to continue? By eliminating some rows and columns. Okay. Now, in the row select panamo and the column eliminate panino. In the column select panamo and the row eliminate panino. This is simple. 0 and cross is the addition. 0 and cross is the strike and the 0 and cross is the strike. Then what happened to this 0? 0 on the particular column the 0 cancel in the row is 0 cancel. Up in the row we selected this row in row wise or column wise. You just tell me. The second row la 0 select row wise selection column eliminate. ஓகேவா? நீ அப்படி கூட ஹிண்ட் வச்சுக்கலாம். ரோ வைஸ் செலக்ட் பண்ணினா காலம் எலிமினேட் பண்ணலாம். This process is possible only when you get invalid assignment. இன்வாலிடா நின்னுச்சுனா கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகலனா அப்பதான் இந்த process பண்ணும். எலிமினேஷன் process between row and column. ஓகே, இது மாதிரி ஜீரோ கிராஸ் இருக்கிறது ஈஸியா பண்ணிடலாம். மத்தபடி வேற ஏதாச்சும் டவுட் கிடைச்சுன்னா in that situation you should check whether you are assigned row wise na immediately you can eliminate the particular class. That's all. ஓகேவா? அது எலிமினேட் பண்ணாம போட்டாலும் you will get the answer. But this is the process. Okay, now we are going to move for second, next step, that is fourth step. Take the screenshot of the children. 14, 3, 20, 22, 13, 1. These are the unstructured numbers. From these numbers, you are going to select the minimum number and it should be subtracted from all the 6 numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. This is the minimum number. And the 1 எடுத்து இந்த 6 நம்பர் லெஸ் பண்ணி எழுது. மத்தபடி இந்த நம்ம எதெல்லாம் ஸ்ட்ரைக் அவுட் பண்ணிருக்கோமோ that will remain as it is, no change. Okay, so this is step 4. Select a least element from unstructured numbers or unstructured elements and subtract it from the remaining elements, unstructured elements. Okay, so we are going to start. Right? So which are the columns and rows we strike now that you should write initially as it is. Assignment பண்ணாம எழுதிடு. Box எல்லாம் இல்லாம cross எல்லாம் பண்ணாம what you received there that you should write. Then which row we eliminated here 0. This is 3. This is also 0. Then we eliminated this 0, 9, 0 and 50. இதெல்லாம் நம்ம எலிமினேட் பண்ணமோ கேன்சல் பண்ணமோ அதெல்லாம் அப்படியே எடுத்து எழுதிக்கணும். அதுக்கு அப்புறமா search the minimum number here 1. 1 should be subtracted from 14 and we will get 13. 3 minus 1 2. 20 minus 1 19. 22 minus 1 21. 13 minus 1 12. 1 minus 1 0. Now we are going to proceed with the next step, that is new assignment. Step 5. Take the screenshot. Okay, so new assignment. Before moving for new assignment, what you should do here? Check for at least 1 0 in every row and in every column. Check here. Yes. Here. Yes. Here. Yes. In this row also yes. At least 1 0 exists. Then column you are going to check. Column yes. Second column yes. Third column also yes. Fourth column also yes. The same checking we did in step 2 also. Step 2 ni idhe mother check pannom. Ange ella satisfy aayirchu, but we cannot get that. We are unable to assign for one row. Or row mattum nalla assign panna mudiyala. Adanal again we are continuing. Even though you get satisfied in the checking, you may not get assignment. Okay, some situation will come like this also. So on the situation eppadi handle pannundradha neenga therinjukonu. Okay, so even after checking this, we are going to move for new assignment. New assignment, we need this tabular column once again as it is.
Miss, அங்க 13 க்கு பதில் 1 வரும் மிஸ்.
Where pa?
13 க்கு பதில் 1 வரும் மிஸ் அங்க.
Second column, miss.
Second columnல மிஸ்.
We received 14.
Yes, miss. On one term,
செப்பரேட் பண்ணா வரும் மிஸ் 1. அப்புறம் 19 க்கு பதில் 7 வரும் மிஸ்.
எதை சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா?
step 3 subtract பண்ணா மிஸ்.
ரிமைனிங் நம்பர்ஸ் வந்து சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணுவோம்ல மிஸ், அதுக்கு அப்புறமா வந்து 13 க்கு பதில் மிஸ்
1 அந்த ஒன்னை தான் நான் எல்லாத்துலயும் சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரு, இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரு, இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரு. நீ எதை சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணன்னு எனக்கு சொல்லு. ஒன்னை சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணியா, வேற ஏதாச்சும் எடுத்து சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணியா? ரிமைனிங் என்ட்ரிஸ்ல மினிமம்
மிஸ் அது இன்னும் அப்படி சொல்லுங்க மிஸ், புரியல.
ரிமைனிங் என்ட்ரிஸ்ல மினிமம் நம்பர் 1 தானே கிடைச்சது. இப்போ we need the other columns again. Step one.
No, miss. No, miss. 13 is the minimum number, miss.
ஐயோ, இருக்கிற மீதி 6 நம்பர்ல மினிமம் நம்பர் 1.
Overall பார்க்கணுமா, miss?
ஓவரால் 6 நம்பர் இருந்தது நம்ம அன்ஸ்ட்ரைக்டு. 6 நம்பர்ஸ் அன்ஸ்ட்ரைக்டு இருந்ததா?
Yes, miss.
அதுல இருந்து ஒரு நம்பரை மினிமம் நம்பரா எடுக்கணும். ரோ வைஸ் எடுக்க கூடாது.
Okay, miss.
6 நம்பர்ல இருந்து ஒரு மினிமம் நம்பர். அந்த 6 நம்பர்ல இருந்து அந்த மினிமம் நம்பர் லெஸ் பண்ணணும். ரோ வைஸ் ப்ராசஸோ காலம் வைஸ் ப்ராசஸோ இங்க நடக்காது.
Okay, miss.
ஓகேவா?
Okay, miss.
Want me to do that once again, step 1 step 2 சொல்லவா இல்ல
No, miss. No, miss.
வேணாமா? அதாவது அன்ஸ்ட்ரைக்டு மொத்தம் 6 எலிமெண்ட் இருந்தது. அந்த 6 நம்பர்ல இருந்து ஒரு மினிமம் நம்பரை எடுத்து 6 நம்பர்ல இருந்து லெஸ் பண்ணணும். There is no row wise process, column wise process. Clear?
Yes, miss.
அதை எடுத்து பாரு. ஓகேவா? இப்பவே எடுத்து பாரு ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட்.
Okay, miss.
Okay, miss.
Is it clear? Right.
Yes, miss.
But now we are moving for assignment. Assignmentல first row exactly 101. Yes. Exactly 10. அப்ப column ல இருக்க remaining 0 eliminated. Second row exactly 101. Yes. But no other 0 in that column, leave it. Third row la no to exact 10. Exact 10 we are not getting, so we cannot assign. Coming to fourth row, we get exactly 10 here. Clear? Exactly 10 if I get here. This cancel ஆயிடுதால இது exactly 10. ஓகேவா? அப்ப அந்த particular column ல இருக்க zeros என்னவாகும்? Eliminated. Clear? Clear? Yes. So P க்கு assignment done. Q also we got assignment. R also we received assignment. We didn't get assignment for R. R க்கு எப்படி assignment நடக்கும் அப்படின்னா row wise எடுத்து செக் பண்ணாலும் exactly 10, column wise எடுத்து செக் பண்ணாலும் exactly 10. So this will be assigned for R. Is it clear? First time பண்ணும்போது இங்க நமக்கு assignment நடக்கல. அதுக்கு அப்புறமா கிடைச்சிருக்கு, அதனால பண்றோம். ஆனா இதே process step 3 நம்மளால பண்ண முடியல, ஏன்னா அங்க ஜீரோவே இல்ல. ஜீரோவே இருந்தா தான் மறுபடியும் இன்னொரு செக் பண்ணி நம்ம பண்ண முடியும். ஜீரோவே இல்லன்றதால we cannot do. ஓகேவா? So after completing everything, you should check once again that there is any zero in that particular row or column. அப்படி பண்ணும்போது exactly 10 தான் பண்ண முடியும். more than 10 தான் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகேவா? Since we get exactly 10 in this row, R ல exactly 10 தான் இருக்கு. டைப் பண்ணிட்டோம். அப்ப இது exactly 10 தான். So this will be assigned for R. Is it clear? Individual PQRS is assigned to individual number 1 2 3 4. No overlapping, no repetition. தனித்தனியா அசைன் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஓகேவா? So let us move for final step. What? Optimal assignment schedule. And what type of problem is this? Task, subordinates, hours, minimum man hours. Man hours only, no? Tabular column you are going to prepare like this. Subordinates, task, here hours. Subordinate P, Q, R, S. Now we are going to assign what? P is assigned to 1, Q is assigned to 3, R is assigned to 2, S is assigned to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, va? Individual ஒரு முறை தான் இருக்கும். Hours. P ல along 1, P ல along 1 8, Q along 3 4, R2 19, S4 10. Minimum man hours 19, 23, 31 hours. Yes, 31 hours. This is the answer, children. Is there any doubt? Sorry, 41 is the answer. I'm sorry. This is 29, 41. 41 is the answer. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
And the second time இது பண்ணும்போது you should be very careful. Subtraction எப்படி பண்றோம்ன்றதை இன்னொரு முறை போட்டு கூட பாத்துக்கோங்க. No problem. Okay. Now let us move to the next exercise. See the decision theory. Take your book, children. Are you all with the book? Take book. Decision theory. This is such a simple problem. We are going to move the problem directly. Example 10.10. Example 10.10. You have the topic that maximin and minimax strategy. Maximin and minimax strategy. Okay, ma'am? Right. Maximin is different concept, minimax is different concept. We have question number 10.10. Look at the question, children. Action A1, A2, A3, A4. States S1, S2, S3, S4. Determine the best action using maximin principle. Maximin அப்படினா என்ன? Concept is nothing but maximum of minimum. Maximum of minimum. So bracket part first you find and then find the maximum answer. That's all. Okay, well, maximum is nothing but maximum of minimum. Okay, minimax. Abhina, what is the meaning for minimax? Minimax now minimum of maximum. Minimum of maximum. So let us move to that example 10.10. Only one problem I'm going to do. You are going to try all remaining examples and exercises. Okay. Before you can take the screenshot of this. Here given with the question maximin. What is this one? Maximin. Maximin is nothing but maximum of what? Minimum. Okay, well? So we are going to find from this question minimum. The bracket la irukradha first inga target column la find out pannு adukapram adha kondu neenga fill panum and then you will find the maximum answer. Okay, let me fill all the values here. Action A1, A2, A3, A4, 5, 10, 18, 25. This is 8, 7, 8, 21, 18, 12, 21, 13, 22, 19, 15. Look here, children, whenever you get a question like this, maximum and minimax is there, immediately under the tablet, you write the question itself as it is. Along with that, you provide one more new column for your answer. That column heading you should decide depending upon your question. If your question is maximum, last part ennavo, adha inga heading ah varum. If it is minimum, last part you should write it as minimum. If it is minimax, abhina last max irukku, appo you should write the maximum number. So we are going to find the minimum answer. Minimum from every row you should find it. What is the minimum number here? 5. Here minimum number is 7. Here the minimum number is 12. Here the minimum number is 15. That's all. So I'm going to find the minimum of, the maximum of all the minimum numbers. 5, 7, 12, 15. Out of these 4 numbers, you are going to find the maximum answer. That's all. So it's a simple question. What is the maximum answer here? 15. Write 15 as the answer. That's all. So by using this, you can guess which strategy is best. Which is the best strategy is the question to you know. So 15 enga irukko answer, that particular row is the answer. Okay, A4 is the best strategy. That's the answer. Okay, ma'am. So we are going to give A4 is the best strategy. That's all. This is the way to give your answer. So getting எல்லாருக்கும் minimum கண்டுபிடிச்சிருங்க. அதுல இருக்கிற நம்பர்ஸோட maximum answer find out பண்ணுங்க. அந்த ஆன்சர் எங்க இருக்கோ அதுக்கு corresponding row தான் உங்களோட ஆன்சர். அப்படி இந்த லாஸ்ட் டைம் கண்டிப்பா எழுதணும். வெறும் 15 ஓட எழுதிட்டா you will not get full mark. Okay. Action A4 is the best அப்படினு கொடுத்துறோம். A4 is the best strategy நான் எழுதிருக்கேன். Action A4 is the best strategy. போய் எழுதணும். Clear? Huh? Can you try the remaining questions, sir?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay, ma'am. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம ரெண்டு question 4 and 8 and this example questions you can try if it is possible you can try the exercise questions also. And for tomorrow's revision you asked 9th chapter to revise now. For that you need to sit with your textbook for revision from tomorrow onwards. Okay?